Does uTest app actually pays? In this video, you are going to get to know. I've tried a lot of in-app in the last few months and they were completely a waste of time. Once I give this app a try, and I think it's actually going to worth your time in 2026. So guys, let's dive right into the video. I'm going to be giving you a honest review on the uTest app and also a roadmap to get your first payments. So let's dive right into the video. So let's be real here. There's actually the good part of this app and there's also the bad part of the app. Now for the good part, the uTest app is actually 100% legit. They work with brands like Google and MasterCards and they actually pays high sometimes, $20 to $50. So they can pay you $20 to $50 to solve a simple bug. So for the bad part, it is not actually an easy money stuff. You need to learn how to report a bug. And if you are lazy, you won't be able to make a dime. And if you are looking for a click a button and get switch app, I think this app is not it. But if you want a side hustle that pays like a job, then you need to keep watching. So in order for you to get started, you just need to go to your web browser like this and search for uTest. So when you search for uTest, you need to click on get started. So right here, you can see the option of get started. So you just need to go ahead and click on get started in order to fill in your details. So right here, you need to go ahead and input your first name, your surname, and your email address, including your date of birth. Then go ahead and click on next. On this page, you just need to input your city, your zip code. Sometimes it is actually going to automatically appear here. So the next step you need to take is to go ahead and click on next. So when you do that, looking here, you can see where it says your mobile device. So you can go ahead and input the type of mobile device you are using, the model, and also your computer. Now looking here, you can see where it says language as well. You need to input the type of language that your computer or phone is using, or the type of language you actually understand. Input it right there. So the next step you need to take is to input a very good password. Then confirm the password and click on next. So after inputting your password and clicking on next like this, you need to go to this page. This is what the next page is going to appear as. So here you need to participate in their academy, you need to complete your profile, and also you need to add a payment method. These three steps are actually complete. Now most people might actually get tired or stuck at the first step, which is to pass their academic tests. So it is actually going to be hard, but you just need to pass these three tests, especially the academic tests. So once you pass these three tests, that is when your account is going to move from unweighted to proven. And that is when you're going to start getting the real money. That is when the real money is going to start coming. So you need to pass those three tests. You might be tired on the first one. So you need to pass those three tests. It is actually important. Now for the payment method, I'm going to recommend you add your Payoneer as your payment method. You can only add the Payoneer or PayPal as your payment method. If you already have a PayPal account, you can go ahead and add it. But if you don't have a PayPal account, I'm going to recommend you add your Payoneer. Now when do they actually pay? They pay you only twice in a month. So they can only pay you twice in a month. Alright guys, we've come to the very end of this video. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Now I'm going to give this app 8.5% out of 10. I can say that this is actually the best platform for serious testers, especially those who are willing to spend their first week learning how the platform actually works. Yes, you need to learn how the platform works at least for 1 week before knowing how to earn money on it. So this is what I have to say about this app. Now for more quick and fast reviews without wasting your time, hit the subscribe button and notification bell. See you in the next one.